Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Coolors Pro to generate accessible brand color sets, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Coolors Pro for generating accessible brand color sets, first, open your web browser and navigate to the Coolors website. Once you reach the home page, log into your Coolors Pro account using your credentials. After logging in, click on the Create button to start a new color palette. On the color palette screen, you will see a default color scheme displayed. To customize your palette, click on any of the color boxes to open the color picker. In the color picker, explore different color options by using the sliders or entering specific color codes if you have them. Next, to ensure accessibility, you'll want to test color contrasts. Find the Accessibility tab or options available in the toolbar. Use the contrast checker to evaluate how well your selected colors work together. Coolors Pro will indicate whether the contrast meets web content accessibility guidelines. If the contrast is insufficient, adjust your colors accordingly until you achieve a satisfactory ratio. Once you have a palette you feel confident about, consider adding additional shades and tints for flexibility. To do this, click the plus icon next to the color boxes to create new variations. Make sure to test these new colors for accessibility as well. Once you are satisfied with your palette, you can save your brand color set. Click on the Save button and name your palette for easy reference later. You can also categorize your palette with tags relevant to your brand. To download your color palette, click on the Download option located in the menu. Select your preferred file format based on your needs, such as PNG or PDF. After downloading, review your saved color set to ensure it matches your brand's vision. Finally, utilize your newly created accessible brand color set in your design projects confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.